Hello and welcome to Fix and Drive. Today, I will show you how to lift all four wheels on a Honda S2000. This will allow you to do maintenance and repairs underneath the car. So let's get started. To lift the S2000, I will be using a floor jack, wheel cradles, a floor mat, and wheel chocks. I will also use the jack that comes with the car. First, I will place the chocks behind the rear wheels. Then I'll make sure the parking brake is engaged. In order to fit the floor jack underneath the car, I will need to lift the car using the factory jack. Lifting it up with the front driver's side jack point, I will start lifting the car. With the front end lifted, we can now fit the floor jack underneath the car. You will see a support brace that is the front central jack point. This is where the floor jack will make contact. Line up the floor jack with the central jacking point. Lift the car. And lift the car until it's high enough to slide the wheel cradles underneath the tires. Line up the wheel cradle center with the tire. And do the same for the other side. And then lower the floor jack. To lift the rear end, line the floor jack with the part of the differential that sticks down. Raise the rear of the car until you are able to slide the wheel cradles underneath the tires. Then lower the floor jack. Okay, now you will have plenty of space to work underneath the car. You can do this same process to put the car on jack stands. To lower the car, you will do this in reverse. Start with the rear and then lower the front. Make sure to use wheel chocks. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless.